Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore the legal tricks related to the extension of the Showtime free trial. Showtime has become an increasingly popular streaming service, offering a wide range of movies, series, and original content. Many users are often curious about how to maximize their free trial experience, and today we'll break down the steps you can take to potentially extend your Showtime free trial legally. Step 1. Understanding the free trial policy. Before diving into tactics, it's essential to familiarize yourself with Showtime's current free trial policy. Showtime typically offers a 7-day free trial for new subscribers. Make sure you check their website or app for the most accurate and updated information. Step 2. Setting up your free trial. To begin, go to the Showtime website or download the Showtime app. Click on the Start Your Free Trial button. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the necessary details, including your email address and payment information. Don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Step 3. Timing your subscription. If you're looking to maximize your trial period, consider starting your subscription at the end of the month. This strategy helps you take full advantage of the trial, as you can enjoy content during the trial period and then cancel before the billing cycle begins. Step 4. Using multiple email addresses. Showtime restricts the free trial to one per household. However, by creating a new account using a different email address, you can potentially access another free trial. Just keep in mind that you must use different payment information. This is a common strategy, but it's crucial to ensure you're following Showtime's terms to avoid any issues. Step 5. Keeping an eye out for promotions. Sometimes, Showtime offers promotional extensions or deals for existing subscribers. Make sure to check your email or their website for any special offers that you can take advantage of, especially during holidays or significant promotional events. Step 6. Exploring referral bonuses. Some streaming services provide referral bonuses. If Showtime has such a program, consider referring friends or family members to the service. This might grant you credits or an extension of your subscription depending on their policies. Step 7. Canceling your free trial. If you decide that Showtime isn't for you after your trial, be sure to cancel before the billing cycle kicks in. You can easily do this through your account settings. Make sure to receive a confirmation email regarding your cancellation to avoid unexpected charges. Step 8. Staying informed. To stay updated, follow Showtime's official channels on social media or sign up for their newsletter. This way, you'll be the first to know about any new promotions or modifications to their free trial policy. Remember, these strategies work best within the legal framework set by Showtime, ensuring that your viewing experience remains enjoyable without any unwarranted issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and happy streaming.